we never drop one rice on the table, and we will put the shoes like this. Whenever I go back my home, I see my son's shoes, one like this, one like this. One socks, not the socks. No discipline. Yeah, when first day when I see him in US, hi there. Then I just standing up. We learn this kind of very traditional when we see old people, elderly like this,
respect,
helping people. When he do this, yeah. Don't move, talk to me. They don't know how to talk. Yeah.
Maybe this is too big a question to ask, but in your 79 plus years on this planet, is there a bit of wisdom that you can share with us that maybe something we wouldn't know because we've overlooked it, or something that you really, above all else, you think you've learned that you can share with us?
To keep going.
Keep going.
Never give up. As we get questions in our head and little voices that put us down when we were kids and all that. So I get over that. That's what I've had to do, is get over the, whatever troubles. And I carry a photograph of myself in my phone when I was a little boy. And I was a little confused kid, as we all were. And I look at him and I said, we did okay, kid. We did okay.
That's a very high-tech way of talking to yourself.
It reminds you deep down inside.
I like that.
Because life is tough, but you just got to get out of bed, get on and do it.
I've been in show business for 46 years, and 46 years, and I've been in the movie business for 41 years. So this has been a long time in the making, and it's greatly appreciated. I want to let you know that there is a definitive blueprint that you can follow to achieve success, prosperity, longevity, and peace of mind. It's a blueprint, and I followed it my whole career. It's very simple. There's three things you just do. These three things. Pay your taxes, mind your business, and keep Will Smith's wife's name out your fucking mouth!